In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Motif D, and you'll want to pick any 3 of the 5 colors to do so. We're going to start with Diva, and we're going to tie our yarn to our crochet hook, chain 5, and slip stitch to the 5th chain from your hook to form a ring, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and work 15 more double crochets in the same chain 5 space. Double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And notice that I'm working over my tail along with the ring, and that's just to start the process of weaving in loose ends as we go. And don't forget that that chain 3 at the beginning of the round counted as our first double crochet, so the chain 3 plus 15 double crochets in the ring will count for a total of 16 double crochets for round 1. Okay, at the end of round 1, we'll slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join and fasten off. And that's what the end of round 1 should look like. For round 2, we're going to pick a new color. This time I'm going to pick turquoise. And you can slip stitch to join in any stitch around. So just slip stitch into any of those double crochets, chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Then in the next double crochet, we'll work 5 double crochets. And single crochet in the next double crochet. 5 double crochets in the next double crochet. And so our repeat is 1 single crochet and then 5 double crochets, and you want to repeat that all the way around. At the end of round 2, you want to slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join and fasten off. This is what the end of round 2 should look like. We're going to pick a new color for round 3. I'm going to choose coral. And in the center double crochet of any of the 5 double crochet sections around is where you're going to join with a slip stitch into the back loop only. So we've got our 5 double crochet section here. We'll find the center one, insert our crochet hook into the back loop only of that stitch and slip stitch, chain 1 and single crochet in that same stitch, chain 5, then skip across to the next center double crochet. So we'll skip the next 5 stitches and single crochet into the back loop only in that stitch. Then we're going to work 2 double crochets through the back loop only in each of the next 2 double crochets. Then in the next stitch through the back loop only, work double crochet, chain 5, double crochet. Two double crochets through the back loop only in each of the next 2 double crochets. And single crochet through the back loop only in the next stitch. And so our repeat for this round is single crochet through the back loop only in the center double crochet of a 5 double crochet section, chain 5, skip 5 stitches, single crochet through the back loop only in the center double crochet of that next set of 5 double crochets, then 2 double crochets through the back loop only in each of the next 2 double crochets, double crochet, chain 5, double crochet through the back loop only of the next single crochet, and 2 double crochets into each of the next 2 double crochets through the back loop only. And you want to repeat this all the way around. For the round, you want to slip stitch to the single crochet, the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join, and fasten off. And this is what the end of round 3 should look like for Motif D. You want to make a total of 4 versions of Motif D using any combination of the 5 colors of yarn. In the next video, I'll show you how we join the motifs together to create this beautiful bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. And if you check out the video description, I've provided links for everything we talked about in this video. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.